W-Coin NFT voucher is live, and the major issue people are facing is you are ineligible. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, or you are yet to subscribe to our channel, click on the subscription button. I believe you're going to love it. So now the NFT voucher for W-Coin is live, and there is this major issue that a lot of people are facing. Everyone I've seen the screenshot online is that they are not eligible. You can see from here, especially this section that said 3 active mates. That's 3 active referral. So everyone is actually affected, and this is a solution to this. Before I tell you the solution to this, I need to show you something. You can see from this my account, I have 115 referral, and I'm very sure that a lot of them are active. That is number one, because if I leave this now, you can see the referral claim here. If I leave this for 24 hours, I will have almost 1 million points that I'm going to accumulate, which shows my referrals are actually active. So not only that, if you check here now, it's saying that okay, not here. If you check the NFT section, the coin. So if you check, it said 3 mates. You can see that one is not active, and it said you are not eligible. So let's come here. You can see it said you are not eligible. So what I find out is that this is a technical problem from W-Coin. So here is their official statement concerning this issue. So if you go to their Telegram channel, you're going to find it. It said W-Coin NFT pre-market update. It said, mates, we have spotted an issue with active mate requirement. Some users have seen an incorrect status. We are fixing it. Thanks for your patience. Remember, reminder, this NFT market is a side event with its own rule. The main airdrop will be different. We have a different requirement. So what we have here is that there is a technical issue from them. So if you are experiencing ineligibility issue and you know that you have active referral, you have no reason to worry, just like myself. So it's a general problem from W-Coin. So let's hope that tomorrow they're going to fix this problem. So get yourself ready, and we'll keep you posted as we get more updates concerning this issue. You got the point? So do want to like, subscribe, and more importantly, there are Testnet project that you need to start farming if you actually want to make money this February. Check the link in the description and comment section of this video to check it out.